Easy English for Beginners, Story 23 for October. A family of birds. 1. There once was a family of birds who lived in a nest far above the carrion. Mother and father bird loved their baby birds. They fed them, kept them warm, and taught them their bird song. Tweet, tweet, tweet. One day, father bird left and didn't return. Then mother bird left and didn't return for a long time. Where are they? Said one baby bird. I'm hungry, said another. Chirp, chirp, I'm hungry. If you want to shine tomorrow, you have to sparkle today. 10 minutes a day goes a long way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.